Hi, this is Isha, back here with our Backyard to Farm Transformation series. It's our second spring on the farm. I thought I'd show you guys an update, so let's take a look around. Springtime for us starts in the greenhouse. We've started all of our nightshades, tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, because they need quite a bit of time. They're all on heat mats. Then we have a few things over here, onions, some leftover chard, and herbs. This tree up here on the left got a major trimming, and we got probably 15 yards of free wood chips, which we spread out on the farm. And let me show you what we're growing right now. It's not too much because it's pretty early in the spring. This is a row full of onions, but as you can see, the gophers or some pests ate most of them. We have some carrots growing here. And this is going to be greens in the summer. And if you look closely, there's small chard. And later on in the row, we have some baby kale plants as well. We have tried to grow Brussels sprouts. We've never had very much luck. We had about 10 plants. The gophers ate all but 3, but there are little Brussels sprouts in there. I'm not sure when to harvest them. If you know when, please tell me in the comments. This is a row of garlic. They were sold out of the variety that we wanted, and we got these tiny little garlics. I'm not sure they're gonna do much. Now, I'm pretty excited because snap peas are one of my favorite things. And we started these in a tray, and they're doing quite well. I tried to direct seed the other half of the row so we'd have a staggered crop, and birds ate every single one, so I restarted in the greenhouse. Now this row over here was veggies last year, but we wanted another row of strawberries, so we put in a bare root row of strawberries. This is last year's strawberries. They haven't come out of dormancy yet. And we are so excited because we've been harvesting asparagus for the first time ever. Let me see if I can get a closer shot at some of these. And we also have a purple variety over here, and they're really delicious. We spaced our blueberries apart into 2 rows so they'd have some more room, and I'm really looking forward to harvesting some of those. They're flowering quite a bit, so if these all turn into blueberries, we are really going to have a nice crop this year. The grapes haven't come out of dormancy yet. Hopefully they will soon. Then we have our golden raspberries filling out nicely. And our red raspberries. And our last row is thornless blackberries. Let's go take a look at the orchard. So a big project over the winter was to prune all of these and add compost, mulch, and fertilizer and repaint them white to protect them from sunburn. Now all these trees are pruned to about chest height, and we were mainly just selecting the branches that we wanted for our main structure. And I was surprised that we're actually getting a few blossoms. That's an apricot. And then down here on one of our nectarines, there's quite a few more. So we might get a little bit of fruit this year, which would be pretty exciting. Let's see, we built a new raised bed. Let me go show you that. So this is our newest raised bed. It's 4 by 16. And this year I decided just to go with 8 inches because we found that with this 12-inch bed, it's actually very hard to get the wheelbarrow up to get the soil in. And we built a drip system, and we decided to bury it between the beds so that you don't have to mow it. And last year these crops didn't do that great because they weren't on a drip. And so this year I think they will do better because I'm not good at hand watering. And I planted 300 tiny onions in this bed that we started from seed. Hopefully we'll get a nice little onion crop. We've also expanded our chicken area. Let me show you that. So we got an old dog house on the side of the road and fixed it up into a second coop. We also decided to break off the extension because they were just in this big pasture. So this is much smaller and easier to move. We also took a bunch of old fencing off the back, and so we've expanded our chicken area quite a bit. And we have 9 chickens now, and there's more on the way that my wife's going to be incubating this year. We did lose 1 rabbit. It's kind of our first animal loss. We're down to just 1. And he's getting a little bit of pasture time. And we used their poop, which is right here, to fertilize the rows, which has been helpful. That's really about it. We made a bunch of compost and we used it on the trees. I've been looking forward to making our own compost for years, and finally got to do it. Here's our current pile. And we've been doing some fun woodworking projects. Not really farm related, but still a lot of fun. We built this tree fort for the kids. There's even a fire pole to slide down and a rope ladder. It's a really good exercise to climb up. Thank you guys for watching. If there's anything you'd like more details about, please let me know down in the comments, and it would be really great if you could support the channel by liking and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.